Okay. Hello, my dear boys and girls. I hope everybody can hear me, see me, and you're all excited for today's class. Yes, boys and girls, I hope all of you can hear me and you can see me very well. If yes, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat, and then we will get started with this amazing session that I have planned for you. So I'm going to discuss about matrices and determinants in today's class. If everybody is excited and ready, give me a yo, give me a thumbs up in the chat, and we will begin and conquer this easy chapter which can give you 4 to 8 marks in your JEE mains. It can give you 4 marks pakka, or sometimes even 8 marks you can get. So I'm going to make sure you guys achieve that. So let's begin our class. Everybody? Great. Hello Aditi, Parijat Thakur. We will have that tomorrow. Kiran Dinesh will have it tomorrow or the day after. So today I wanted to teach the rank booster series so that your 12th seniors who are writing 2021 JEE mains will be benefited. Got it? Very good, very good. Vanakkam Karthi, Surya, welcome. Heshwita, Karizma, welcome Karizma. Purna Sai, welcome Purna, nice to see you. Hello Parijat Thakur, Asrit, Rama Nagireddy, welcome. I'm so glad to see you all after a long time. Are you all excited the same way I am? Yes, it's been a long time. We are looking at a rank booster series now. Okay, so today I will help you guys master this topic and preferably get some good marks. So let's get into it, people. Let's get started. For all those who do not know me, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the 11th and 12th standard, those students who are preparing for JEE mains as well as JEE Advanced. So if you are an engineering entrance exam aspirant, then you are at the right place. This channel is beautifully designed to help all those students who want to learn in English. Okay, so if you noticed, this channel is purely English. So we don't teach in Hindi, we don't teach in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. No, it is purely English. That is the best part about it. It was requested by you guys. So Vedantu heard all your comments and we created this channel. So please do support us, spread the word, and if you feel your juniors or your seniors, someone can benefit from this, let them know. Got it? And why am I here? I'm here because I also went through the same path. Basically, you're all my juniors. So I passed out from IIT Madras very recently, a few years back. Okay. So when I was like you guys, I also prepared, I went for coaching. So I studied in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so I prepared, I cleared KVPY in my 11th and 12th, I cleared the aptitude test. Then I wrote JEE mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So that is my background, and of course, I wrote advanced also. I know you guys will ask, sir, JEE mains you got good rank, then did you write advanced? Yes, I wrote advanced and I cleared it. That's why I did my BTech from IIT Madras. I had a fantastic time in IIT. I have shared it to you guys as well. Some of you already know it. So if you do not know what is life in IIT like, you can check out my video in this very channel. Just type life in IIT by Shimon sir in YouTube, you will get it. Everybody who is aspiring for IIT should see it at least once so that you know what you are preparing for. Got it? And in case everybody wants to connect with me, you can always do that. This is not just for doubts and all. I want to be your friend even beyond academics, even beyond your 12th standard. So you can always reach out to me. You can connect with me. You can ask me any guidance or any support that you need from me. Got it? So that is what my introduction is all about. So now let's get started. Okay. The most important slide is over here. People, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe and you guys share the video to your friends if you enjoy it, and like the video as well. And many of you are already part of the crash course. You guys must be aware that Vedantu, an online platform, has produced 99.91 percentile, 99.97, 99.96. So these are all students of Vedantu, people like you who joined us to learn with us in long-term batches and also in the crash course. Some of them are crash course students, some of them are long-term students. Got it? Perfect. So this is the crash course. So the crash course is for the 2021 aspirants. Many people are very serious about the next two attempts. Many people are asking, right? Sir, next attempt, will it become even more difficult? Will the competition increase? Of course, guys, you are given a lot of time. So because you got a lot of time, the competition is bound to increase. So that is why the percentile will come down and the marks will go up. So that is why you need to really do well in the next attempt. Now even board exams are cancelled. So JEE Mains becomes more important. That is why you guys have to definitely check it out if you have time, because now not many coaching institutes are really working on 2021 batch. Everybody is focusing on 2022 and 2023. So this might be a good opportunity for you guys to refresh the entire portion for just 6,000. Maths, physics, chemistry, all three together along with the test series. So that is one batch which started yesterday, one batch which is starting 28th and so on. Okay, great. Nisha is saying, sir, please start the movie of matrices. Yes. Movie or kahani, like story. So let's get started, people. Many of you are asking, sir, please start, sir. Please start already. Okay, guys. It is just to inform you. Okay, it is not that everybody knows about the crash course. Nah? Some students are not aware of it. So I have to help them understand. That's why I spoke about it. Okay. So please wait and bear with me. Now let's get started. How excited are you? Let me know first. You need to give me energy. How excited are you guys for today's class? Everybody, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo, give me a yes in the chat, people. Come on. All of you, please do it immediately. Hello, Mubina. Welcome. Shravya, Karthi, Sendil, Preksha, Karizma, Sai, Karthi, Sindhu. Wonderful. Ramya, I am so happy you love my teaching and I'm so glad to have you guys. It is always wonderful to teach your batch. That is why I come here with full energy. 2021 guys are the best, man, because the number of students are amazing. You give competition to even my 11th standard students. Good job, people. So let's begin with that, guys. The first thing is, see, I'm going to teach you with respect to JEE Mains. So don't ask me, sir, first you should teach me what is matrix, sir. Start from there. That means you have to go back to LKG. I cannot start from there because this is for 2021 batch. So you already know what is matrix. So I'm going to teach you only what is important for JEE Mains. Got it? So let's get started. The most important part from the basics is your trace. Okay. So trace of a matrix, my dear boys and girls, is defined for a square matrix. First of all, you need to understand that. Okay. So trace is defined for a square matrix. Square matrix means what? Whenever number of rows and number of columns are equal, that is what we call as a square matrix. Are you all clear? Number of rows and number of columns are all equal. Are you all clear with that? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. That's the first thing you should know. What is a square matrix? Now, let's say you have an example of square matrix. Let's take a 2 cross 2 square matrix. So let's take a 2 cross 2 square matrix. Example, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is, let's say, matrix A. Now your teacher is asking you, boys and girls, find out what is trace of A. What is trace of A? Trace of A, my dear children, is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements. It is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements. Please understand, in a matrix, there is only one diagonal, which is called as the main diagonal. So this, my dear children, is called as the main diagonal. Got it? Everybody clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Vijay Kumar, Rajamanikam, don't worry. I will make it super simple for you. Are you all clear? Hello, Ritika. Welcome. So guys, 1, 4 is the elements in the diagonal. So if I add them, that is what I call as trace. Did you all like it? Very simple concept. It is nothing but sum of all the elements present in the diagonal of the matrix. As simple as that. Are you all cool with it, my dear boys and girls? Everybody give me a thumbs up, give me a yo if you understood it. Now let's take it one step higher. Sir, you did for 2 cross 2, sir. You're doing all easy things only. Give some tough questions, sir. Do it for 3 cross 3, no? Okay, let's do for 3 cross 3. So let's say you have a 3 cross 3 matrix, which is nothing but 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so let's say you have 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. So this is how a 3 cross 3 matrix will look like. Yes? Everybody cool with that? very good. Aditya, welcome Aditya. Nice to have you here in our class. Ashish, fantastic Ashish. Nisha is also getting it. Brilliant Nisha. So now, what is the trace of A? The trace of A is again very simple. What is the diagonal? Okay, previous example, sir, you put only 2 elements, sir. So diagonal will be only these 2 elements. No. If you do like this, I will have a big laugh when I'm correcting your paper. I'll be like, students are very creative. You guys are legends. Okay, so don't do that. Sir, previous example you gave 2 cross 2, sir. So only 2 elements I should take? No, you should take all the elements in the diagonal. Okay, all the elements in the diagonal, you have to take it and you have to add it all up. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. Are you all clear with that? Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody? Great. Crack with Gokulnath? Fantastic. Parijat Thakur, Vijay Kumar, Heshwita, Sindhu, Ashrit, very good. Shravya? Yes, Shravya, I know. I am the only one who hurts my throat a lot. I am the culprit. But what to do? I get excited when I teach you guys. Okay, so people, let's get to the properties. Now you have understood this point. This everybody has got it. Whoever is present in the class right now, I hope so. Now, properties of trace. So whenever you have trace of, let's say some scalar lambda. Lambda scalar means what? Lambda is a constant. It can be any number like 2, 3, 4, any number. It is not necessary it has to be a natural number. It can be irrational number, anything you want. Got it? Everybody clear with that? So if you have lambda A, you can take the lambda outside. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with that? Perfect. So if you want to visualize it, you guys can do it, but it's a very simple property. So let's move forward. Trace of A plus B, you can take trace inside. So it will become trace of A plus trace of B. Trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. This is called as reversal property. Okay. So trace of AB is equal to trace of BA, which is a reversal property happening here. Are you all cool with it? These are all facts. You can do it and verify it with simple examples. So if you want, I'll prove one thing. Okay. Let me prove the first one because that is only easy. Okay. So let me prove the first one to you. Okay. So let's take lambda as 2 and let's say A as a 2 cross 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what is trace of 2A? Trace of 2A is equal to trace of 2A is what? 2 times of this matrix 2, 4, 6, 8, which will be what? Trace of 2, 4, 6, 8 is 10. Got it? Now don't you think trace of A is equal to 5? Trace of A is equal to 5. So can I say trace of 2A is equal to 2 times of trace of A? Because 2 times of 5 will be equal to 10. That's it. As simple as that. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. So Anand, the other 2 things are very straightforward, man. The second one is also very easy. I was just kidding. Okay. The third one is a property which is called as a reversal property. You guys can make a note of it. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, guys. Now, always when we learn something, we have to practice questions on it. Okay. We have to practice questions on it. So that is why I've given you this slide. Everybody please work on it and then I will discuss it. I want answers from you because you guys are the most important batch because you are writing your exam in just 2 months' time. So you have to be very well prepared. Please solve it and then let me know the answer. Okay, I will check it. Let me see how many of you are able to crack it and get the right answer. Please do it. All of you. Come on, people. Ankit says option C and he has removed it now. Karthi says A. Anand says B. Hello Shweta. Welcome Shweta. No problem. I'm glad you could make it. Heshwita says A. Anand says B. Gokulnath says Omega. Great. Gokulnath says C. Sendil says A. Chaitanya says B. All options you have told. A, B, C is covered. Somebody take D also, no? Poor guy. He's alone. He's feeling lonely. Somebody take D also. Who is that Mahan who will take option D? Great. So ABC everybody is saying. Somehow people don't like D. I don't know why. So now let me solve it. Okay. Keshav. Thank you Keshav. Keshav has taken D. Fantastic. So now let me solve it, guys. This much disparity should not be there. Okay. You cannot be like half the class is telling A and the remaining half is divided into B and C. What is this? Everybody should give me one answer. You are having exam in 2 months' time, and the first question of today's class, I am getting different answers. So let me solve it, listen carefully. First of all, it is a 9 cross 9 matrix. My God, it is going to be a very, very big matrix, isn't it? Hello Saujanya, welcome Saujanya, nice to see you back again. So this is a 9 cross 9 matrix, okay? So this is how it will look like. 9 cross 9 is going to be very big. So the diagonal elements will be A11, A22, A33 and all the way up to A99. Do you all agree? These are all the diagonal elements. How many of you understand this? Give me a yo if you got it. This is the understanding. So I'm not going to write all the elements. That is not needed. Rather, I only track my diagonal elements because they are the ones which are important to find the trace. Everybody cool with it? Brilliant. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Perfect. So now, what is trace of A? Trace of A is nothing but the summation of A11 plus A22 all the way up to A99. Okay. So what is A11? A11 is omega power 1 plus 1. A22 is omega power 2 plus 2. A33 is omega power 3 plus 3. And so on till omega power 9 plus 9. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? So can I say it is nothing but omega square plus omega power 4 plus omega power 6 all the way up to omega power 18. Are you all cool with that? Yes. So you have what? Can you guys tell me what you have clearly? So we know omega power 4 is nothing but omega. Omega power 6 is nothing but 1. Now what is 1 plus omega square? 1 plus omega square is under 0. 1 plus omega square is 0 from cube roots of unity. They are beautifully combining two chapters. They combined matrices and determinants with complex numbers. Beautiful question. Beautiful question. So like that, every 3 pairs. See, you have multiple of 3 number of terms because you start from omega power 2 and go up to omega power 18. So there are 9 terms. There are 9 terms totally. So all of them will be 0. First 3 are 0, next 3 are also 0, next 3 are also 0. You try it out, you open it. So the answer will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, very tough. So if you calculate by 2 hours, you'll come to know it is 0 only. Got it? So shall we move forward? Everybody? Very good Aditi, very good Karthi, very good Murugan, Sendil, Akashan, welcome man. Very nice to see you guys from Nepal. That's amazing. Jai Perumala, very good. Jai. Karishma has got it. Heshwita has got it. Very good Murugan. So people, with that, shall I move forward? Everybody is okay with it? Shall I proceed? Fantastic guys. So with that, let's go ahead to the next question, which is over here. Again, a beautiful question. Now, slightly I made it difficult. So don't worry about it guys. Everybody please try to solve it. Come on people. Kumar Rajamanikam. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That is a property Kumar Rajamanikam from complex numbers chapter. Okay. Are you all okay with that? So is omega treated as iota? No. Tarun, omega is different from iota. Iota is the square root of -1. Whereas omega is different. Okay. So please check it and then do it, Tarun. Okay. Please do it. Come on guys. Everybody. SRM CSE or VIT Chennai CSE? VIT Chennai CSE, I would prefer Nitish Raju. Brain hustle. You're so boring, man. Brain hustle is bored. Don't worry, man. We'll get to good questions. Try. Kanak Prasad, try it for some more time. You will like it. Don't worry. Okay. I know this chapter can be boring for some people, but give it some effort. You guys will like it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Great. Hello, Sai. Nice to see you, Sai. VIT CSE or BIT CSE? Ramya, BIT CSE, of course. What are you asking? BITS is a very good institute. It is compared to even some of the IITs. Okay. So getting into BITS is not that easy. So what is the answer? Everybody says option A. Guys, this is a beautiful question. This is a beautiful question. So everybody, can you all listen to me carefully? Shall we go for it? All of you? Perfect. So let's see how to crack this question. So guys, one thing I notice, I have YZ here, YZ square here, YZ cube here. So something is unique about YZ. Do you all understand that? Something is unique about YZ. So what I will do, before I even start solving this question, see, this is a good question and it will be a big one. So let's do it one by one. Let's do it step by step. Got it? So let's understand what is YZ. Okay. So YZ is what? Y is nothing but 5, 4, 6, 5. That is Y. Y into Z. What is Z? Z is nothing but 5 minus 6 minus 4, 5. So guys, can you find out what this is? You will be surprised when you do that. Can you find out what this is? Very good, Sai. Very good, Sai. Brilliant. Very good, Heshwita. Parijat Thakur. Very good, very good. Brilliant. You guys are awesome. Anand, what is this? Shravya, tell me what is this? What is this product? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 minus 24 is 1. 5 into minus 4 minus 20 plus 20. Anda. Then you have 6 into 5, 30 minus 30. Anda. 6 into 4 minus 4 will be minus 24 plus 25. 1. Beautiful. What did I get? What did I get? I got identity matrix. Isn't that amazing? So basically YZ is identity matrix. Anything multiplied with identity matrix is basically the same matrix. Is basically the same matrix. Beautiful, na? Did you all like it? Great. This was the best part, guys. It was so amazing. It was so amazing. So you have to observe this. In exam, I will not be there telling you, oh, notice this, YZ is there everywhere. So first to find YZ. You should think about it. When I tell you, it will be very easy. It will be like very laddu. Got it? Yes, Tarun. Tarun, just below your message, I have given you the link. I have given you the coupon code. You can check it out, Tarun, and you can join it. Yes, it is going live today. Everybody liked it? Okay, the answer is not yet done. So let me erase this. Now, let's rewrite this expression. So it is going to be trace of x plus what will be this 1 by 2, can I take it outside? And it will be trace of x, yz. Yz is I. So x into I is x only. X into I is x only. And 1 by 2 I took it outside. How? Property, 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 property. How? I told you whenever you have a scalar, you can take it outside the trace. I told you whenever you have a scalar, you can take it outside the trace. So next one also, I can take it as 1 by 4. Trace of x into I square. I square is I only. Identity into identity is identity only. X into identity is x only. So it will become trace of x. And then so on up to infinity. So what is the trace of x? Trace of x is equal to 3. Trace of x is equal to 3. So the GP will be like 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 8 all the way up to infinity. So it's an infinite GP. How do you sum up an infinite GP? It is equal to first term divided by 1 minus r. What is the common ratio? 1 by 2. So the answer will be 6, which is option A. I hope you enjoyed this question. Did you all love it? Did you all love it? Pushpanjali, this is a rank booster series. Yes, it is a single session, Pushpanjali. It is a revision session. I'm not teaching you the entire chapter. I'm just solving some good questions for those who are writing it this year. Okay. Very good. Very, very good. Fantastic. So, Nisha, infinite GP means infinite geometric progression. The sum of an infinite GP, I gave it here, Nisha, which is A by 1 minus R, which is first term by 1 minus common ratio. First term is 3, 1 minus common ratio is 1 minus 1 by 2. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Great. So with that, people, let's get moving forward. Amazing. I'm glad Varun and Shravya have enjoyed it. Thank you guys. You guys mean a lot. Now with that, we will keep moving forward. Are you all ready? And for those who had some trouble, don't worry. I will attach the solution in the PDF, which will be shared to you after the class. Got it? So after the class, the PDF will be shared to you. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. And people, shall we move forward? Great. Awesome. So with that, people, let's get going. to the next property, which is transpose. Super important. Super important. So let's look at transpose in detail. Hello, Rushi Shah, welcome. Very good. Parijat, Charisma. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Jyoti, Sairam, welcome guys. So now, junk cookies. So the next batch for 2022 starts every Monday. So yesterday one batch started. Next Monday one batch will start. So please wait and check it out in the description of the video. Got it? So right now it's 2021 batch who are the special treatment kids for our channel. So let's help them out. Okay, don't ask any other question. I will take special questions at the end of the class or in Instagram. Okay, any personal question, ask in Instagram or at the end of the class, not right now. So let's get started, people. What is transpose? Transpose means you make the matrix rows into columns. You make it rows, you change into columns. That's it. So for example, if I give you a matrix like this, guys, I have a matrix A, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So this is what? This is a 2 cross 3 matrix. Why 2 cross 3? I hope everybody knows how to write the order. How do you write the order? It is nothing but 2 rows and 3 columns. Are you all cool with that? Everybody, 2 rows and 3 columns. Everybody knows that. Very simple, Laddu. Now, if I ask you A transpose, what you need to do is, first row, you change it into first column. Second row, you change it into second column. That's it. So whenever you take transpose, what happens to the order? The order will become ulta. The order will become ulta. Now you see, 3 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Beautiful example. Everybody is clear with it? Fantastic. Good, Pushpanjali. Yes, Rishi Singh, I will go to questions in a short while, but please listen carefully because these are all basics which some students will not understand clearly. That is why I wanted to do this also. Because this session is a revision session for everybody. Whoever believes on this channel, we want to help you guys out. That is why I have made this lecture. I hope you are all clear. Hello, Tusar. Welcome, Tusar. Nice to see you. Ashrit has got it. Fantastic. Now, coming to properties. Whenever you see this chapter is beautiful in terms of application. In terms of application, in terms of properties. So, I taught you what is transpose. Now you understood the basics. Whenever you do transpose, the order becomes ulta. See, n cross m. If I take transpose, it will become m cross n. Very important point, don't forget that. Okay, now, what are the properties? When you have a scalar multiplied to a matrix and then you take whole transpose, the scalar can be brought outside. The scalar can be brought outside. Whenever you have addition or subtraction raised to the whole transpose, then you can distribute the transpose to A and B normally, very easily. Just transpose will come down. It will come to A, it will come to B directly, no change. But, when you have multiplication, you will have reversal law. You will have reversal law. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Are you all clear with that? Everybody. Very good, Heshwita. When you have product of matrices, very important, guys. Every year they keep asking along this only. Every year, some paper or the other will have question. I can bet on it. I can bet on it. I'm not saying which paper will have, but at least in the 6th shift, one paper at least will have this question. 100%. Okay, 100%. Clear? So let's show you some example. Let's say three product is there. So ABC is product. I'm taking whole transpose. Because of reversal law, C will come to the front. C transpose, then B transpose, and then A transpose. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? So this is called as reversal law. So when you have two product, what will happen? AB, the whole transpose, will be equal to B will come front. So B transpose, A transpose. Got it? Did you all like it? I hope all of you are cool with it. Great. Fantastic. Very, very good. Exactly, Siddharth. So let me go to some questions. I have beautiful questions for you today. I hope all of you have made a note of it. Thank you, Ramya. I'm so glad you are enjoying the classes. Hello, motivational. Welcome. Ashrit, Rushi, great. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Nanta Kumar, can you please remind me again, man? Please remind me again. either in Instagram or in Telegram. In both the places, this is my ID. In Insta as well as Telegram. Both the places, this is my ID. You can message me. I will reply to you within 2-3 days. Please wait for it. Okay. Same day you cannot get because I get a lot of messages from students. Sometimes it's difficult to reply everybody on the same day. Got it? So please understand that and wait for some time. I will help you. It is not that I don't want to talk to you. I'm only telling you now, message me. Do you think simply I'm saying that? Of course I will help you, but give me some time. Got it? Hello, Jasmine, welcome. Great. Rank of matrix is not needed, Karthi. Leave it. It is not an important topic. But when you go into college, it will become an important topic. Right now, it is not important, so don't worry about it. Now, the next important topic for your JEE mains is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. I hope you guys are all aware of it. Are you all clear? Do you all know this? Very simple, na? So whenever you have a square matrix, please understand this symmetric and skew symmetric are only defined for square matrices. Okay? Are only defined for square matrices. So when you have a square matrix, after I transpose also, sir, I am getting the same matrix. What? Sir, I did transpose like you told. But even after I am doing transpose, I am getting same matrix again. That kind of matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. What is the answer? Let's look at it. So what is the example? So let us say you have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 3. Now, this is a square matrix. Obviously, yes, because it is 2 cross 2. Now, find the transpose of this. My dear boys and girls, come on, come on. Everybody, find the transpose of it. When you find the transpose of it, what will you get? You will get first row will become first column. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Am I getting the same thing? Am I getting the same thing? Sir, yes. Both are same, sir. Even after I did transpose? Yes. So here A is called as a symmetric matrix. So here A is called as a symmetric matrix. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Now Vijay Kumar is asking a good question. Sir, what is the other symbol for transpose? The other symbol for transpose is A dash. A dash also means A transpose. Okay. A dash is the other representation for transpose. Okay. Everybody cool? Hello Triambak. Welcome. Very good. Pushpanjali. I hope I answered your doubt. And the next one is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So skew symmetric matrix means your A transpose will be equal to minus of A. Your A transpose will be equal to minus of A. That means what? Example can be like this. So guys, whenever you have a skew symmetric matrix, always remember the diagonal element will be under. For a skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements will always be under 0. Very important, guys. Okay. Abhinav Aditya. Yes, Abhinav. I will try to do it in the coming days. Got it? Yes, Sindhu. Sindhu, I am trying to help you out. Please listen carefully. Got it? So, people, if A is given to you, I can say that the diagonal elements are 0 if A is a skew symmetric matrix. And if you have any other element, let's say here 2 I have, this will be the negative of it. So, this is an example of skew symmetric. Because now if you take transpose, what will I get? The row will become column. So first row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Are you all clear with it? So can you see this A transpose is actually equal to negative of A. A transpose is actually negative of A. So this is an example of skew symmetric matrix. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Pushpanjali, when I am talking about symmetric and skew symmetric now, Pushpanjali, it should be a square matrix. Got it? When I am talking about symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, it should be a square matrix, Pushpanjali. So 2 cross 3 is not possible over here. Got it? Are you clear? So 2 cross 3 you can write it on your own, Pushpanjali. You just need to make sure there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So totally there will be 6 elements. So write it in that way, you will get it. Are you all happy with it? Very good, my dear boys and girls. Fantastic. You are all amazing. Yes, Aditya, I will come to that, Aditya. Singular matrix means the determinant of that matrix will be under. Singular matrix means the determinant of that matrix will be under. Got it? Perfect. Now, People are asking, sir, why should be the diagonal element 0, sir, for skew symmetric? Yes, I will explain it. See, this is matrix notation. But if I write it in element form, Aij will be equal to Aji is the condition for symmetric matrix. Whereas for skew symmetric, Aij will be equal to minus of Aji. That is the condition for skew symmetric. Element wise. This is element wise for symmetric. This is element wise for skew symmetric. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Ayush, I am coming to that, Ayush. Now, Ayush, do you agree? Diagonal elements means your I and j will be equal. So I and j equal means they are diagonal elements. You all are aware of it. So if I put that over here, I will get Aii is equal to minus of Aii. Now bring this to the left hand side. I will get 2Aii is equal to 0. So I will get Aii is equal to 0. That means the diagonal elements for a skew symmetric matrix will be 0. Got it? Sanju, Ayush, Ranjan, I hope you guys understood it. Everybody cool with it? Can you all give me a yo, thumbs up? So that is the reason why for a skew symmetric matrix, your diagonal elements will always be 0. Got it? Shravya, I will plan it in the coming week, Shravya. Okay, already lots of things are going on, so it's difficult, but I'll try to. Okay. Very good, Kanak Prasad. Very good, Siri, Vinay. Fantastic. Yes, Tech 9, absolutely. I'm gonna start off the KVPY with a strategy session. Okay. Fantastic. Brilliant, brilliant. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying it. Perfect. So with that, let me go forward to a question. Everybody, please try to solve it, guys. Come on. All of you people, please try to solve it. Vivek, thank you so much, man. I'm so glad you guys are learning and you guys are finding it useful. That means a lot. That is the best compliment or best motivation a teacher can get. Thank you for that. Great. Shweta, brilliant. I'm glad you guys are able to follow. Guys, this is a good question. It is not very simple. At the same time, it is not very tough. It is Pakka JEE mains level. It is Pakka JEE mains level. You can get such a question in your exam. Karishma has solved it. Okay, let's check it, Karishma. Let's see if you are right or wrong. Fantastic. Very good. Ashrit says option B, is it? Okay. Shruti says C. Pramesh says C. Okay. Shravya says C. Nisha says C. Very good. Prince, Rushi, fantastic. Kanak, I'm so happy, Kanak, you are able to understand. Brilliant, man. Fantastic. Great job. So people, let's solve it now. See, first of all, A and B are symmetric matrices. See, every piece of information is very important. Every piece of information is very, very important. Let's try to understand that. Okay, so what do we have here? A and B are symmetric matrices. So I can take A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to B. First step. Did you all like it? Everybody is clear with that? I want your confirmation. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Everybody is cool with that? Fantastic. Vijay Kumar, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step. Very good. Naveen, very good. Vijay, very good. Technical, Clipper and Aditi. Brilliant. Now let's find out what is X transpose. X transpose will be what? AB plus BA whole transpose. Look at how the properties are beautifully applied. Look at how the properties are beautifully applied. When you have addition, I told you transpose will directly come down. Transpose will directly come down. So AB transpose plus BA transpose. Now you have product transpose. I told you what? When you have product transpose, it will come reversal law. So it will be B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. So what will this be? B transpose is equal to B, A transpose is equal to A. So put that over there. So it will become BA plus AB. What is BA plus AB? BA plus AB is X only. So I started with X transpose, I got equal to X. So X is a symmetric matrix. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody clear with it? Yes, so Hemalata, please pull the video back and try to watch it. Hemalata, I have tried to cover it from the basics. If you want to learn the basics of matrices, please check out my matrices and determinants Pathfinder lectures. I teach you from the basics, Hemalata. Okay, I hope you have got it. So now let's keep moving forward, boys and girls. So we have X transpose is equal to X. Now let's do the same thing for Y as well. Okay, let's do the same thing for Y as well. What do we have in place of Y? Y is equal to AB minus BA. Now I'll take transpose of it. So I have AB minus BA whole transpose. So what will happen? Subtraction, the transpose will come down. Okay, subtraction, the transpose will come down. So it will be AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. Now product transpose means reversal law. So it will become B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. So B transpose is what? B transpose is B. A transpose is what? A transpose is A. So I will get what? I'll get BA minus AB. What is BA minus AB? BA minus AB is negative of Y. It is negative of Y. So I started with Y transpose and I got negative Y. That means Y is a skew symmetric matrix. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. Did you all like it? Such a good question, huh? Such a good question, isn't it? Are you all able to follow? Fantastic, boys and girls. So now we are done with halfway mark. We are still not done with the question. Beautiful, right? So now we want XY whole transpose. So XY whole transpose is equal to Y transpose X transpose by reversal law. What is Y transpose? Y transpose is minus Y. X transpose is X. So do we have this answer? This is how you solve it. This is how, my dear students, you solve it. Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? Such a good question, nah? So this can be a typical JEE main question. I hope you all liked it. Y minus, because Y transpose is equal to minus Y, na, Shravya? Y transpose is equal to minus Y. I'm sorry, Ramya. Ramya, because Y transpose is minus Y. Got it? So please observe it carefully, Ramya. Please observe it carefully, the previous step. Got it? Fantastic. So with that, people, let's keep going forward. Okay? Brilliant. The answers are attached here. You guys can go through it later on as well. Okay? And check it out. It is a very good question. Now, again, one more fantastic question. You will love it. Okay? You will love it. Great. People, everybody please solve it. I want you to try it out and then we can move forward. I have so many good things planned for you. So only if you guys are fast, we can do all of them. Okay. So please give me your speed, give me your attention. Then we can go for it. How to be consistent? Ashish, you have to be wanting it. Your goal. Whatever that is. Okay. So whether it is getting into NIT or IIT. So you have to be hungry for it. You need to want it, and that will keep you motivated. So nobody can be motivated 24/7, 365 days. No, that is not possible. Okay, so you can try to derive your motivation from the bigger picture, which is your life in IIT or life in NIT, how settled, how well educated you will be down the line. So that is the biggest motivation for anybody, right? Who are preparing for IIT and all that. Got it? So that is what I would suggest. Great. So people, what is the answer? Everybody says option B. Fantastic. Ankit gives up. Don't worry, Ankit. I will help you. Karthi, yes, Karthi. I know many people have been asking for it, but the thing is I'm already loaded with a lot of sessions, but I'll plan it out. Okay, I can only say that, man. I don't want to disappoint you guys. So all that I can say is give me time, I will do it. Got it? So the answer, my dear boys and girls, is option B. It is P equal to 0. But how, sir? How did you get it? Don't worry, I will explain it. So first of all, so do you all realize P is also a matrix, which is 1 cross 1 matrix? Do you all understand that? How many of you found this out? If you found this out, that means your foundation is good. Your foundation is good. If you did not find this, then you have to listen to me with full ears fully open. Okay? Because that is basics. Now I'll teach you how. So first of all, we have A transpose, and then we have what? B, and then you have A. So A transpose will be what? 1 cross n, B will be n cross n, and A will be n cross 1. So the final product will be the first and the last one. The final product order will be first and the last one, which is only given by P 1 cross 1. Are you all clear with it? That's how you find it out. That's how you find it out. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take transpose on both sides. Please listen carefully. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take transpose on both sides. Are you all clear? Fantastic. So, if I take transpose on both sides, what will I get? I will get P transpose. And here, what will I get? I'll get reversal law. So, if I get reversal law, I'll get A transpose, and then I'll get B transpose, and then A transpose whole transpose, which will become A. Now, B is a skew symmetric matrix. If B is a skew symmetric matrix, I can say B transpose is minus B. Got it? So, I can say B transpose is minus B. Are you all clear? So, I can remove this and write minus B in the place of it. Are you all happy with it? Now, P is a 1 cross 1 matrix. If P is 1 cross 1 matrix, if I take transpose or not, it will be the same thing. Whether I take transpose or whether I don't take transpose, it will be the same thing as P only. Because it has only one element. How can you transpose only one element? So it will be P only. So P is equal to this. So this minus I can take it outside. I told you scalar can be taken outside. So I'll put B here and I'll take the minus outside. Now A transpose BA is P. So minus of A transpose BA will be minus of P. So minus P is equal to P. That means P is 0. Legendary question, na? Such a simple one, and I was able to do it using simple logic. Aishwarya, P transpose will be equal to P because it's a 1 cross 1 matrix. Okay, so P transpose will be equal to P. Left hand side will become minus P. That is correct, Aishwarya. But P transpose will be P only. I hope you understand that. Okay, I want you to be conceptually clear. Guys, P transpose will be P because it has only one element. Got it? But left hand side will become minus P, Aishwarya. You have to understand that. Everybody clear? Hello, Kundan Singh. Welcome, man. Jeevan. Very good, Jeevan. I'm glad you understood it. Ankit, fantastic. So did you all enjoy this question? I hope you guys liked it. So with that, shall we move forward? Okay. Nitish, I have no idea, Nitish. We have to wait and see. Okay. We have to wait and only see, Nitish. We can't tell now anything. Got it? So people, let's keep going forward. But before we conclude, before I go to the next part, I want to show you guys some of the features in Vedantu. In case you are looking forward to join the crash course, you guys will have classes, Tattva given to you as assignment, doubt solving, and regular test series. 20 test series are there. So if you are interested, I will show you how to join the crash course at the end of the class, not right now. Okay, everybody? Great. So people, please have a look at determinants. So determinants we are slowly moving forward into. Okay, so I will teach you the basics of determinants. Then I will go into the details of adjoint and so on. Okay, everybody clear? And guys, in case I have something left out, I will take it up tomorrow at 4 o'clock preferably. Okay, got it? Perfect. Because I don't want to strain my voice too much. Already my throat is not good. So I will probably teach you some basics today, and the remaining I'll take it up tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So please stay tuned to the channel and make sure you subscribe because I want to meet you again and again. Shravya, I will take the class up to 10:15. Up to 10:15 I'll take the class, not beyond that. Okay, cool. So let's get back to topic. Come on guys. Thank you, Technical Clipper. That is so kind of you. And Hartik, I speak only English, man. I don't speak Hindi. And this is an English channel. Okay, that's why we teach in English. And I love Hindi and I want to learn it, but I never got the opportunity. Don't worry, at least in the future, because of my students, I will learn it. Okay, great. I am affected by corona. No, man. No. Don't spread rumors. I am not affected by corona. My voice is gone. Okay, my voice is gone because of shouting. Yeah. So let's get started, people. So first property is det of A is equal to det of A transpose. That means what? Whether you have a matrix A and A transpose, it doesn't matter. Both of them will have same determinant. What is the meaning of it? So if I have a matrix like this, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, or if I have A transpose will be what? 1, 2, and second row will become second column. Now both of them will have the same determinant value. Det of A is equal to det of A transpose. You guys can check it. So what is the determinant of this? 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So 4 minus 6, which will be minus 2. And this will be what? Again 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, which will be again minus 2. Can you see that? So the determinant of a matrix and its transpose will always be equal. Okay, very good. Clay Tsunami, thank you, man. Yes, that is what my parents also told. That's what I'm doing. But still it's not improving. I don't know why. So guys, are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Awesome. And please remember, determinant is also valid only for square matrices. You cannot have a determinant for a non-square matrix. Don't ever do that. Okay, Nishant, homogeneous equation, I will repeat it in tomorrow's class. I've already made a separate video on that. Please check it out. Tomorrow, again, I will try to take at 4 p.m. matrices and determinants to help you guys finish this topic. Okay, great. So people, that's the first property. What is the second property? The second property is whenever you have a scalar inside a determinant. Guys, this is very important. Very, very important. So it is not one shot, it is two shot. Exactly. So two shots we will do. So I have a scalar inside the determinant. So how do you take it outside? Very, very important. Please listen carefully. Okay. So here, let's say my A is a n cross n matrix. We all know that A should be a square matrix. Okay. We all know that A should be a square matrix. So now, if I take it outside, it will come out as k to the power order of A. Whatever is the order of A, that power I will raise it into determinant of A. Very important. Please make sure you understand it. Okay, everybody, note it down. Today, Vijay Talapathi's birthday. Yes, absolutely. Beast logo was released. I know, I saw that. Cool. Srinivas, thank you so much, man. I hope you get into IIT and you work hard for it, you will. Ashrit, Emi Chapali, Bagunara, Ardhamainda. Okay, so guys, let's move forward. I made a mistake in this. Guys, don't make mistake in this. It's very important. Now I wrote it very clearly. I hope you understood it. Shall we go forward, everybody? Great. Iskau, I will do it, man. Definitely. I will try to do it. Fantastic. Great. Vivian, that's awesome, man. Okay, so people, the next one is also very important. Whenever you have determinant of A into B, if both are square matrices, you guys can separate it as det of A into det of B. Are you all clear? Very simple. So if you have det of AB, you can write it as det of A into det of B, provided both are square matrices. Very important. When both are square matrices, only then you can do that. Of same order. Square matrices of same order. Okay, square matrices of same order, only then you guys can do that. Otherwise, no way you can do this. Clear? Fantastic. So that is the third property. Now the last one. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the determinant value is 0. We all know that. So if you have determinant of, let's say, ABC, 1, 2, 3 and ABC, this determinant value is anda. Why? Because first row and third row are the same. Or if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, this is also 0 because two columns are identical. Not just identical, they can be proportional also. Identical or proportional. Okay, then the value of the determinant is 0. Whenever two rows or two columns are identical or proportional, the value of the determinant is 0. Are you all clear? Yes, Vivian. Vivian, you are absolutely right. Very good. Brilliant. Frederick Prabhu, I'm glad you liked it. So people, please solve it. Very good. Hemalata, great. Fantastic. Ramya, Karthi, Karishma, Aishwarya, Nishant, I am currently in Chennai, man. I stay in Chennai. Okay. Very good. Daily 10 hours study is equal to JEE Mains 210 plus. 10 hours study efficiently, doing some good stuff. Absolutely yes. Great. So people, try to solve it, guys. Come on. All of you try to do it. It's a very, very good one. And I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Please do it, boys and girls. Everybody should try it out. Come on. You guys are very well capable of doing it. Please get going. Okay. Sir, are you from Kerala? Esau? No man, I am from Chennai. Okay. I get this a lot. But yeah, I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Hello, Asmi is also here. Asmi, what are you doing here without studying? Nungambakam, no man. I stay in a place called Annanagar. Cool. Multiplying and dividing by log x, y, z. Very good, Vivian. Vivian, you are absolutely right. Clay Tsunami, very good. You are right. Frederick Prabhu is also right. So these are all questions which show you the properties of log. Okay. Great. So Mala Mohan, you can join anytime. Every Monday, there is a batch which starts. Okay. Asmi, no way I'm believing you again. So guys, I will multiply by, see, I can write this as log y by log x. And I can write this as log z by log x, by log properties. So second row I can write as log x by log y. And I can write 1 just like that. And this I can write as log z by log y. And the third row I can write similarly. Log x by log z. Then you have log y by log z. And then you have 1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply and divide by log x, log y, log z. I'm going to multiply and I'm going to divide by log x, log y and log z. So whatever I'm multiplying, log x I will take it to first row. Log x I'll multiply to first row. Please listen carefully. Log x I'm going to divide, I'm going to take it into the first row. So if I take log x into the first row, 1 into log x will become log x. This log x will get cancelled. This log x will get cancelled. So log x I have taken it inside. Okay. Now similarly, log y I will take it to second row. Log y I will take it to second row. So this will become like this. And here I can remove log y. Now log z also I will take it to the third row. So if I take it to the third row, the denominator will go away. Here also denominator will go away. I will get log z. So this is what I am left out with. All the 3 rows are identical. If all the 3 rows are identical, the value of this determinant is under. That is why option A is the answer. Did you all like it? Everybody? Very, very, very good, my dear boys and girls. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Can we substitute x, y, z as 1? No, no, no. You cannot do that. Because you're taking a specific case na, Charisma. You are taking a very easy case. So that cannot be right always. So please don't try doing that whenever you get a question like this. No, that is not the right method. Got it? So with that, people, let's go to one final question and then I will continue in tomorrow's class. Got it? Very good. Fantastic, Nisha. Guys, please try to solve it. It's a very nice question. Yes, Karthi. Statistics is tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Statistics will be tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Got it? So please be there for that class as well. It will be an epic session where we cover the basics of statistics for JEE Mains level. Got it? Great. So how do you solve this question? See, we want to find determinant of this value. So can I take a to the power 2012 common? So if I take a to the power 2012 common, I will get a minus 3i determinant. So I will get that is equal to determinant of a to the power 2012 into determinant of a minus 3i. That's it. Over. Laddu question. What is det of a? Det of a is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 into 7. So that will be 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. So det of a is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 2012. So that will be 1 only. So no problem. Now I need to find a minus 3i. What is a minus 3i? It will be a minus 3003. So what is a minus 3i? A minus 3i will be 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. So what will that be? That will be 0 into minus 1, which is 0. Minus 1 into 7, which is minus 7. So this will be minus 7, isn't it? So the answer is minus 7, which will be option C. Did you like it, everybody? Very good. Samriddhi, it is option C, Samriddhi, not A, not B. Got it? Are you all clear? Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Okay. Very, very good. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed the session today. In half an hour, you have one more class. No, Adarsh. I'll have the class tomorrow, man. Okay. Fantastic. So people, with that, I'll conclude. I had a lot of things to discuss, but anyway, time is not there. So I'll skip it and we'll do it tomorrow in the next session. Okay. So if you're all interested to join the Vedantu's classes, please do check it out. Like I said, you will get assignments beautifully from Tattva material, and then you have beautiful results from Vedantu in JEE Mains, February and March attempt. You see, these are all our own results, guys. 99.97. Rishika was my student, and Lavesh is here. Sairaj is here. Brilliant performance. You guys can definitely make use of the expertise that Vedantu's team can provide you. Okay. So this is the price for the crash course for the next 2 months until you write JEE Mains. Until you write JEE Mains. Okay. So in case you want to join it, check it out. It can be a helpful thing, because for this price, the quality of teaching and the material you get, along with test series, 20 test series, 10 part test and 10 full test. So this is probably the best material, best resource you can get. Check it out. And guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and like. Speak in Tamil. Tamil, enna solano Santosh, nalla irukingla ellarum. Okay, perfect. So people, before you guys leave, I will show you how to access the, what do you say that? Crash course. Okay. So this is the crash course, my dear boys and girls. So you see here, so below the YouTube video, this is the YouTube video. See number of people watching, and this is the channel. Just come below the video. You see, you have Get JEE Crash Course. Just click on that link and you will be taken into that page. So you can choose which batch you want. See, I would say you guys can go for a previous batch like 7th June or 14th June, because that way it will get over by August 14th. Okay, so that will be a better choice, and this gets over on 28th August, but that doesn't mean that we'll forget about you. Okay, if JEE Mains is before this, we will plan it accordingly. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just go check it out. In case you need final revision, last minute revision for just 6,000 rupees, you see that my coupon code is automatically applied and you got a 4,000 rupees off. So 6,000 is the crash course for the entire 2 months time. In case you like it, go for it. Otherwise, I will support you in YouTube for free. Okay, I will support you in YouTube for free. This is for those people who are very serious. Sir, I cannot afford to lose it. Definitely this year, I have to get a good rank. Then you guys can choose this crash course for more intensive sessions. Okay, great. Okay guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and it was a great session today. I could not take it for a longer time because my throat is not great, but don't worry, tomorrow I'll come back. I'll try to complete it. Okay, good. So people, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and then go. Okay, all the best. Take care. I hope to see you all again tomorrow. Till then, keep working hard. All the best, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.